23rd of March 2018. Welcome guys to the beautiful coffee place in Skonetranos. I know that you are dreaming right now. Me too. Here you have the boutique. There you have, yes, I like water. There you have the hall. And there you have the main room here that I'm trying to fix a bit. So here we are. I will not show you the kitchen right now, but I'm gonna do it some days. Hi guys, I'm Sebastian. I'm the one who ran this messy coffee place. It was much more messy like 2 weeks ago, but I came here, I fixed pretty much. We had some work here, so that's why it was very dusty and I had to remove everything. I changed a bit the configuration. Same here, same in the, how can we call that? Customer's room. So here was, so we did pretty much, we changed the bench there. This didn't exist before, so that we changed. And here I try to reorganize a bit that place here where with that thing and there, because I usually have the glasses by the window, but people keep asking me all the time, where are the glasses? So I don't know why people don't see glasses, but when it's too many people who report the same problem, it means that it comes from me, from my organization, so I have to change it. What else? I'm gonna remove also these flowers there by the window, all the window, because here, here, I don't know if you see there, it attracts a lot of small flies, and that's not good. What else? So yeah, what's the purpose of making these videos? I wanted to show you how it is to drive a cafe in the countryside, so in the middle of nowhere. It can be interesting for people who are actually running a cafe right now, or restaurants. We do almost the same stuff here, but it can also be interesting for customers to see what we're doing behind the curtain there in the kitchen, and how we're making our preparation. So I can show you a lot of recipes that I have. I'm writing everything in a book right now, so I'm gonna release a book soon. But you can have them in a recipe. I can show you everything because I think it's pretty good to share the information. I think it's always positive to share information instead of keep. You always get more by sharing informations. And yeah, so basically I'm gonna show you how it is to drive a cafe. So my goal, I don't know if I will be able to do it or not, is to make a video per day. It's gonna be short videos, but who knows, maybe it's gonna be longer, maybe it's gonna be less videos than one per day. But I would like to you to see how we're doing here, how is the evolution of a business, how we're changing our ideas, how we are managing that place. And I think it can be pretty interesting for people also who like to open this kind of business, to show how people who are actually doing it are doing, you know. So yeah, and as you heard, I'm French, and the French who speak English is rock and roll. Yeah, okay, I'll see you soon, and I hope you're gonna enjoy these videos. Ciao guys.